Welcome to the Good Cooking Ideas channel. Today I'm going to make a delicious Enoki mushroom dish with just a few simple steps. Enoki mushroom is so popular and delicious, so I will post a serious recipe in the future. This is the first one. Please make sure you subscribe my channel, then you won't miss any recipes. I will also give out the tips to avoid mistake. Let's get it started. The ingredients are listed here. You may also find it in the description section. To prepare this dish, we will need 400 grams of Enoki mushrooms. Cut off the roots about 2 inches from the end. Clean the mushroom thoroughly. Chop scallions for the top decoration. Cut 4 to 5 hot Thai chili, depends on your spicy preference. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic to paste. Chopping is not recommended for this recipe. You will find out the reason if you watch through the end. Heat a pot of water to boil. Add Enoki mushrooms. Cook about 1 minute. Take out and drain the water. Plate. Heat a small saucepan. Toss in the red chili. Pour in 1 teaspoon of Canola oil into the hot pan. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and bring it to boil with medium heat. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Our sauce is done. Pour the sauce on the Enoki mushrooms. Spread the garlic paste on the top evenly. Sprinkle the scallions as well. Now comes the most exciting moment. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil till boil. Pour the piping hot oil onto the top of the garlic and scallion bit by bit. We cook the garlic and scallion by oil heat. That's why we don't recommend it to chop the garlic. Simple ingredients turn out great, unique flavor. I hope you enjoy this video and give it a try. Please don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.